Have you ever felt lost, staring at the huge list of coins on a Canadian exchange like Newton, wondering, what are the best coins to buy on Newton Crypto right now? I've been there. I'm a Canadian investor who uses Newton, and what I realized quickly is that while Newton is fantastic for its ease of use and low fees, especially covering that first $5 of network fees, its coin selection is different from the global giants. So, what I look for are the coins with solid fundamentals that are actually available and easy to move on the platform. Here are the 3 categories I focus on and the coins I'm personally keeping an eye on right now. Keep in mind, this is my experience and research, not financial advice. The foundation, Bitcoin and Ethereum. First, you have to build your foundation. On Newton, this means Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. Bitcoin, BTC. This is the non-negotiable anchor of my portfolio. It's digital gold, the most established asset, and an absolute must-have for long-term security. The fact that it's high liquidity on Newton means the spread is usually very competitive. My strategy here is simple: dollar cost averaging and holding. Ethereum, ETH, the engine of Web3, DeFi, and NFTs. The whole ecosystem runs on it. Post-merge, it's a deflationary asset with massive utility. Buying ETH on Newton is a direct bet on the future of decentralized internet. For me, these 2 are the core, representing the largest chunk of my holdings on the platform. The builders, fast blockchains, and utility. Next, I look at the projects building real-world solutions. Newton lists some excellent Layer 1 and Layer 2 solutions. Solana, SOL. I'm genuinely excited about Solana. Its speed and low transaction fees, or low gas fees, make it a competitor to Ethereum for building decentralized applications. I've personally transacted with SOL off-platform and the speed is incredible. Its recent price action has shown it's regaining its footing, making it a compelling buy on Newton. Cardano, ADA. My pick for a more research-focused, long-term play. It's got a huge community and a methodical approach to development. While its growth can be slower, I view ADA as a strong, stable bet on a decentralized future. It's a great addition for diversification, and it's readily available on Newton. The wildcard, established altcoins. Finally, I keep a small, riskier allocation for proven coins that offer different utility or high growth potential. XRP, this one is unique. It's focused on cross-border payments for institutions. While it has regulatory history, its use case for fast, low-cost international settlements is compelling. It's highly liquid and always an active coin on Newton, which makes it an easy trade. I see it as a coin with a strong, specific utility that will continue to see institutional adoption. Dogecoin, Doge, yes, the meme coin. But hear me out, it has a massive, passionate community and high visibility, which drives price. As a high-risk/high-reward play, I keep a small bag of Doge. It's purely for speculation, but its presence and ease of buying on Newton make it a fun part of my portfolio. Quick summary of my strategy. To recap my approach on Newton. Safety first, heavy on BTC and ETH for long-term stability. Growth potential, building positions in fast, utility-focused layer 1s like SOL and stable long-term projects like ADA. High-risk speculation, a small allocation to coins like XRP and Doge for market-specific or speculative upside. Remember, my main reason for using Newton is the simplicity, instant verification, easy funding, and the zero-commission trades, where they cover that network fee. It makes those smaller, consistent buys straightforward. With that said, thanks for